Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful, and today we're talking about more body care. Guys, I know, don't be alarmed, okay? I've been trying this for a while now. I'm just filming now, so I'm batch filming as I go. I didn't just buy them all at once, so don't be alarmed, okay? And also all links down below on my blog, and just be smart when you shop. And we're continuing with the body care series. First thing first, are in shower moisturizers. Soap and Glory, you guys know I like their body scrubs, and if I can insert it here I will. I have other videos on body care talking about those scrubs, and particularly this one by Soap and Glory that I like. And now I discovered the in shower lotion, which is so good, and this one is a rinse off version, and I really like it, especially if you're on the go. Other ones that I really like, I've talked about many times, is by Olay. This one is the B3 and shea butter one. They also have coconut oil, and they also have vitamin E, I believe. These are both rinse off, and these don't have like shiny like reflective particles on your body after you shower. However, this one does, and I just finished this one, so this will be perfect for the summer because it makes you like shine and sparkle and glow, like that JLo glow that's been trending here recently. I just finished this one, and this one I think is my fourth one. That's how much I love this, and it smells so good. So if you're looking for something new to try and you don't like putting lotion on, these are really good. Next thing I want to talk about, if you don't have access to any of these things, if you guys don't have access to any of the products that I'm going to talk about, I always mention coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter, and now I'm talking to you guys about glycerin. You guys already know it's a really good ingredient that they put in like a lot of skincare products, and I'm going to insert some details here on screen quickly so you can read more quickly about what glycerin does and how beneficial it is. It's very comprehensive, and it's good for healing anything on your skin, just like the Aquaphor one. The Aquaphor ointment is kind of like that, but the liquid version. Okay, just think of I think of glycerin like the Aquaphor liquid version, and you're good. But I'll still list all the benefits here. For me, it's very comprehensive, it's very dynamic, it's multi-purpose, it's intentional, and it helps heal a lot. If you have like random cuts, random breakouts, you want to keep your freshness on you, I feel like this is so good, and I'll answer more details on it. I get mine in Cameroon. I know it's a little bit dirty because I had this mixed with a little bit of like lotion in it, so it has a little bit of a scent. But yeah, it's very good. Kids can use it, so comprehensive. I get it when I go to Cameroon, but you can get it here at any store or the pharmacy, so this is really good. Next I want to quickly talk about that's really good. It's not like a lotion or anything, but it's VapoRub, and I have the CVS version, and this is like I buy this all the time. I kid you not, this is one remedy that's so good when you have like stuffy nose, you got joint pains, you want to massage your body because you're feeling pain and aches everywhere, you got allergies, you're congested. This is one solution that I grew up with back home, and ours used to come in like these little, like my grandma and my mom used to give it to us like in these little things. But when I got here, metal containers, and this is the name, it's kind of weird, they have different kinds. I think they have 2-3 versions in Cameroon, but when I got here I couldn't find it like this, right? I found it in the tubs, and I was like, oh my god. So it helps me with my daughter, it helps with the whole family, so good. I usually put it around her back or like a little bit low below here. Don't put it close to your eyes because it might burn, because it's very strong, but it does help to decongest. It helps with aches and pain. It's really soothing, really relaxing, and does help with just calming down and getting ready for bed. Some people even use this with diffusers and things like that. It really does help. Just make sure you keep it away from the eyes because it's quite strong. But guys, I have this like on backup, like I don't play with this, okay? Next thing I want to talk about is Vaseline. You guys, I have all the gems that are just nice and good. Okay, this is new. This is the Vaseline Healing Jelly all over body balm jelly stick. I think I just like the whole concept of it, especially around like my elbows and my knees. They've been very dry, in my hands, and I don't want to like, you know, use like a pump of lotion or whatever. I just like this because I can just rub it like this, and it's so like practical, and it doesn't go everywhere. You don't have to dip into anything. It's just very good for on the go and traveling, and it's really good for like really dry areas like your elbows and your knees, and it's been really helping me with that. I really like it. I think it's very good, and it's not oily and greasy. I think they really changed the formula here to make it more like user friendly, so I really like. I don't know, I just got it great deals and coupons at CVS. I thought why not share it with you guys. It's really, really cute. I'll always have this. Really nice. You don't need it, but I mean, if you want to try it, why not? It's kind of convenient, right? Yeah, so I've talked about this before. It's by Sol de Janeiro. My favorite is the Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and they came out with the Coco Cabana cream, and I just really like them. They're expensive, but you know, I always think you should have like one lotion in your collection that is ready for the mood, like for your boo, or just for you to feel good. Like one that has a nice scent that keeps you in the zen mode but still smells good. It's not gonna irritate you. I feel like this one does that for me. I feel like with this you don't even need perfume. Some of us, like, if you put perfume on, we're gonna get irritated. I feel like this lingers for so long that it's just so relaxing. I love this scent. Okay, I even got the perfume. That's how much I love this. Okay guys, I got the perfume. I reviewed both of these. The videos are going to be linked if you want, or just type the name on my channel, you'll see them. This one is, and I also like it because they're very lightweight. They absorb fast, and like I said, I like this one. I like the Juicy Couture one that I talked about before in the prior video. It's so nice. And this one is the Coco Cabana one. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. The formula is good. It's lightweight, it absorbs fast, it's water-based. Love that. Very good for the summer especially. But like I said, I especially like this because I don't have to put the perfume on, but I still smell good, like you're tasty for your boo. So yeah, definitely get these if you can. I keep the containers because I just love them. This was like the birthday gift, I think, in 2020, so that's how I kept this. But I'm gonna be buying this again. It is expensive, but I'm on the lookout. Next, I have the famous Nivea body cream with cocoa butter, and this one has vitamin C as well, and it's 48-hour intense moisture and radiant skin. And guys, this right here was so worth the hype. Okay, it is so good. This is one of those things where you put it on, the hydration is amazing. It's not too thick, it's like more water-based. Consistency is amazing, and you can use it for the whole family. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, I just love it. And oh my god, my daughter was like, "Mom, what do you have on you?" She was like literally running around the house like smelling me. She's like, "Mommy, you smell so good." Imagine a 5-year-old telling you that. Like, that's how you know you made it. Like, this would linger on your body for like days. I mean, I'm exaggerating, but that's to tell you, like, it's such a calming cocoa butter scent, but it like lingers. It's like around the whole house. Like, I was like, what is going on? I wasn't expecting much from it, but it's so good. Like, such a relaxing scent, and it lasts long. Again, it's one of those where you don't need a perfume, but like, it seems like you put one on. It's just you put it on and it's just so relaxing. It smells good. It smells everywhere. Everybody's like, let me sniff you, like, oh, you smell so good. But yeah, it's a good type of smell. Love that one. Oh, and last but not least is, of course, Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream, smoothing and moisturizing. Okay, that's the packaging as I showed you. That's the bottle. Very cute, of course. You guys know I really like the Glow Recipe setting mist. Even with the scent, it was okay. This is the bottle. That's the lock. I always put it on so it doesn't leak. And let me just show you guys the consistency. The consistency is definitely like, it's a little thick. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, it definitely smells like watermelon. So this is a strong scent. Okay, if you're not somebody who likes fruity scents, watermelon scents, it's a little thick, not too thick, but a little bit thick, and it definitely is moisturizing. However, it's nothing innovative, guys. I think you could do without it. You can do it without it, but if you really want it, you can get it. I actually got mine from the Trend Mood box recently. That was a recent launch. I think it was number 11. It's my second Trend Mood box, and I got it because it was in there with the Tatcha powder, and I thought it was a great deal. That's how I got it. So you can look into things like that. So this is really good. It smells very strong, so it might irritate you or not, but the scent doesn't last. I noticed that within like an hour I couldn't even smell anything on me. Like, the way it smells so strong when you first apply it, you would think, okay, it's gonna linger. No, it doesn't. It goes away so fast. So it's not a scent that stays on and on and on, which stinks, because I do like that. I do like something to last a little bit of a, I wanted this to last a little while longer, but yeah, it would just go away after like an hour. You won't even notice you had it on, but it is moisturizing though. And that is it for this video, y'all. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys. Don't forget to praise God, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ciao. Bye.